Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this aesthetic denim painting. I am going to paint on one of my very old black jeans. So you need fabric paint brushes. I know my brushes look pretty old and I need new ones. Then you're gonna need some tape for that neat and clean look. I'm using a very light blue for the first coat. After blending the light blue, I am adding some deep blue at the top. Now I am adding some purple. I actually mixed this purple with white to make it look like a pastel purple. You have to blend all the colors so that it looks natural. There should not be any line, deep blue, light blue, purple. All the three colors should be blended. So take your time and blend just like you do your makeup. Lastly, I am adding a hint of light pink. It's a very faded pink. And then blend. Let it dry. Don't start drawing clouds on this, because if it's not dry then the white will get mixed with the color. The most satisfying part is drawing the clouds. Now try to use only color. You don't have to use water. As you can see, I tried to use some water and the white got blended. So after that I used only color. Make the cloud shapes and try to make the top portion of the clouds darker, and then don't add much of the color at the bottom part, just blend it. So you will only make the top portion of the cloud darker and the lower portion of the cloud should be a bit lighter. For the stars, I am using an old pen to get that natural look. I also added a teeny tiny half moon. And then you're done, and here comes another satisfying part to get rid of the tape that gives you that neat and tidy look. Can you see how much of paint is on that tape? So you should use a tape.
While you're rapping dreams. go